Welcome. Today we will learn how to mark the status of stops in Zeo Route Planner. When a route is assigned to you, it will appear right on your homepage. To continue, simply click on Continue the Trip and open your active route. As you move through your trip, each stop will give you two options, success and failure. If you are unable to complete the stop, tap Failure. You will be asked to select the most appropriate reason from the list, such as customer not available, address not found, or delivery refused. After choosing the reason, click Submit. You can also attach supporting evidence like a photo of a closed shop to clearly document why the stop could not be completed. After adding the details, click Submit. This ensures your fleet owner always has clear visibility on why a stop could not be completed. If the stop is completed successfully, tap Success, Signature. Hand over your phone or device to the customer so they can sign directly in the app. This is a digital signature stored in Zeo as official proof. Photograph. If the delivery is contactless or left at the doorstep, you can snap a picture of the parcel in its final location. This is especially useful when no one is available to sign. Delivery note. Write a short note to add context, such as left with security guard or delivered to reception desk. You can choose one of these or combine them for stronger proof. Now comes payment collection cash. Select this if the customer paid with physical cash. The system will log the amount collected. Online, select this if the customer paid via any digital means. Pay later. If the customer has credit terms or the payment will be settled later, select this option. Continue updating each stop in the same way as you progress through your route. Once you've finished marking all the stops, the trip will be shown as completed on your screen, and that's it. Marking stop status in Zeo is simple, transparent, and keeps everyone in sync. Happy routing with Zeo.